Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing? So this week I shared a short on how to make money using this particular website, and I was able to get a lot. Not that I was even able to. I got a lot of comments wanting me to create the full video. You understand? And so that's what I'm doing today, because I'll be showing you guys how you can maximize this website to make times two of the earnings, or to make your earnings on this particular website. And believe you me, this website pays worldwide. It is not restricted to any time frame or any geographical whatever. Anywhere you are in the world, be it Africa, be it America, be it Korea, be it any Asian whatever, it pays you worldwide. And you can see they have a lot of accepted languages, and that's what I'll be showing you guys in this video. So before we go into this video, if you're just seeing this video for the first time, you're welcome to Self Hustle. Please hit the subscribe button and like this video, because we upload content, like wonderful content, about how you can make money right from the comfort of your home. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, will love you. Please love this video, share this video. And if you want me to make more videos like this, please drop it in the comment section, or just drop me your location in the comment section. If you want me to make a video about what works in your location, just say, hi, I'm from New York, hi, I'm from New Zealand, hi, I'm from Russia. So to make money on this website, this particular website, there are a lot of things that you need to put into consideration. First, you need to get an account. You understand? First, you need to get an account. Now, one of the most important instruction on this website is, do not buy an account. Like, do not buy their account. You get? Because they say if you buy an account, you will lose money, because we have implemented safeguards to prevent illegal account purchases. Because there are a lot of people out there that will tell you that they have this type of account, you should come and buy with them. You understand? The best thing is not to buy account. So if you do not buy account, you're safe. So that's why I want to show you guys how you can sign up on this website safely. You get? One, the first thing you will get when you sign up on this website is their SMS verification, because you have to input your mobile number, your own mobile number. So you'll be getting their SMS verification code, which you have to input once you click on the sign up button. You understand? It will be like maybe a 5 number code, or 4, like 5 or 4 number code, which you will input. Then you have the face picture. They will take a passport of you during the registration process. That is the process. Then the next one is a real-time photo with verification code written on the paper. Now, on this website, there is no way you can scam them, or they can scam you, because they have a lot of rules and regulation in place. You understand? This real-time photo means that they might ask you to write a particular number or write a word on a paper. Then they will ask you to hold it with your phone, like you will hold it to your face with a phone. So you'll capture that this thing. And then they have what they do. You get? Let me just say it. What they do on the website. What they do is that you do transcription jobs from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You understand? Now, you need a computer, quite okay, but not all of us have a computer. Some of us even have it, but we don't use it. Now, this is a way to maneuver around it. I used to tell you that if you have a Chrome browser, all you need to do is to come to this arrow here. Once you come on this arrow here, as you can see on your screen now, once you come on this particular arrow here like this, you hit where it says desktop site. This desktop site will show you in form of a laptop. Let me just hit it. You click on it. Now, as you can see, this is actually showing me like a laptop. Can you see? Can you see the full transformation? Like, it wasn't showing like this before. You understand? It was not showing like this before. So this is how you can turn your phone into a laptop or a computer. Now I have to go back here, because I want to use it in a phone format. So can you see, I've changed it to the phone site, and this is what we have. You understand? This is what we have. Now it said get paid reliably. You can receive payment via PayPal for all the jobs completed. Now you get paid once the job is completed, and the payment is via PayPal. Although PayPal have restrictions on some countries and whatever, but if you are interested in opening a working PayPal account, just hit me up. We have our own way around it. We'll create a working PayPal account for you, but it is not free and it is not too expensive, you understand, but you use the PayPal account to send or receive money from wherever you are in the world. Next thing is work flexible hours. This work flexible hours means that you can set your own hours. Some of you might be maybe 9 to 5 and you just have the time, maybe in the evening or at night. You'll be able to set when you want them to send you transcription jobs. If it is at night, fine. If it is in the morning, fine. Then whenever you have issues, they have their support team, or more. This their support team, they, in fact, they resolve issues fast, like ha. Okay, oh, this their support team is good. Then you can choose your own project that you want to work on. Now once you sign up, you will see all their projects. Nobody is forcing anything on you. You be the one to choose, like, okay, this is the project I want to work on. Do you get me? Now regular feedbacks and learn from the rest of the team. Now they have a team, like an academic team, where you can easily learn from. So also here you can enjoy work variety. It means that anyone you want, you can book a transcription that, okay, oh, I'm not free to transcribe now, but maybe in the evening I will transcribe. You can stay busy, like you get a variety of transcription jobs, a lot that you used to do, keep yourself busy. There's always transcription every day. So the name of this website is called GoTranscript. GoTranscript. All you need to do is transcribe the audio, what you hear, you put it into writing. Now I said I'll make the work easy for you, like I'll make the work easy for you, because all you need to do is to download their transcript, like download the audio, and then you come to another website. So I'll be showing you that website that will do the job for you. I'll be showing you at the end of this video. So now all you need to do is to click on this three button here, and you click on sign up. Allow it to load. Once you click on sign up, this is what you get. You get to input your first name, your last name, your email, your password. You choose your industry, any field you want to be doing transcription job for. If you are someone whose field is related to law, you can choose legal. If you are someone whose field is related to education, maybe teaching or something, you can choose education. If you are someone whose field is related to medical, you can choose health. So anyone you want, and then you choose other. Like me now, I do advise you choose two and then you add other to it. So that's what I do advise you to choose. Then you put your phone number, and then okay, you don't need a company name. It's actually optional. You don't really need it, but if you have a company name, you can input it. Then you click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, they will send you a verification code. Once you click on the verification code, you input it, then you give them like 2 days to verify your account. Once they verify the account, it's just normal verification of account. They usually approve almost all accounts, you understand. Once they verify your account, you have a lot of audios that you can work with. The next thing you go here is to open a new tab and come to the script. You open a new tab and then you type descript.com. Descript is spelled as DESSCIPT, descript.com. This usually helps you to transcribe your audio into written text, you understand. You download your audio and then you upload it on this website, and it will help you to transcribe it into written text, which is very easy. Now all you need to do is, after the transcription, you edit it. Once you edit it, you copy it. You can go in and watch the video, their video on how to start. So once you edit it, you copy it, and then you do what? You re-upload it on GoTranscript. GoTranscript is spelled as GoTranscript. GoTranscript. So that's all you need to do. You sign up, and then you allow them to verify your account. After verification, you sign up on the script as well, and then you upload your audio on their website. it will transcribe your audio. You edit and copy and re-upload on GoTranscript, and you are good to go. So guys, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have not liked this video, please do well to like the video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and share this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.